Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 4 online tutorials. Today's tutorial is on English language, and is taken from strand 2, reading. Substrand 8, silent reading. Indicator 1 to 3. Read and answer questions based on the passage and also find meaning of words as used in context. Read and answer questions based on the passage and also find meaning of words as used in context. Now, we are going to look at the two words here, comprehension and context, or words in context. Comprehension means reading to understand. Now, when we say contextual meaning of words, what do we mean? Contextual meaning of a word is the understanding of how a word has been used in a sentence or passage. Contextual meaning of a word is the understanding of how a word has been used in a sentence or a passage. Now, I'm going to read this example of a sentence or a short passage to you, and we are going to look at these words or the contextual meaning of the words in this short passage. Listen attentively. Mouse live in the forest. Her favorite food were seeds and nuts. Mouse stored some of her food in a hole. I'm going to read it again. Mouse lived in the forest. Her favorite food were seeds and nuts. Mouse stored some of her food in a hole. And the words that we are going to look at in context are favorite and stored. Favorite and stored. Her favorite food were seed and nuts. Another word that can be used in place of favorite is best. Her best food were seeds and nuts. Favorite is the same as best here, as used in context here. Now, let's look at stored. Mouse stored some of her food in a hole. Mouse stored some of her food in a hole. Now, kept can be used in place of stored, as in context here. So, mouse kept some of her food in a hole. Now, we are going to look at the steps used in answering comprehension questions. Steps for answering comprehension questions. Step 1. Read the questions first. Now, when reading the questions, you need to note some points. Now, let's look at some of the things that we need to note. Underline present tense. Now, let's look at example 2. Where was Kwame? Where was Kwame? The verb here is in the past tense. The verb here is in the past tense, meaning because of the words, when answering this question, the answer should be in the past tense. Now, let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Read the passage once to know the storyline and note for answers. After reading the questions, read the passage just for the storyline, what the passage is about, and not for answers. Now let's look at step 3. Read over the questions again to get clue to the answers. After reading the passage to know the storyline, go back to the questions and read them again to get clue to the answers. Step 4. Read the passage again and look out for the following. After reading the questions for the clue, go back to the passage again, read it again to get information from the passage. Now, look for information in the passage as you read. As you read again, look for information to the answers or to the questions as you read. Underline the answers and number them to avoid repetition of answers. Now, as you read over the passage, because you have the questions in your head after going through the questions, as you read the passage, when you come across the answers, try to number them in the passage. Underline the answers. If it is for question 1, put question 1 on top. If it's for question 2, put question 2 on top to avoid repetition of answers. Now, let's look at step 5. Avoid lifting of sentences directly from the passage to answer questions. The information that you have used your pencils to underline, don't lift them straight from the passage to answer. Use your own words to form meaningful sentences to answer the questions. Now, the last point is remember your full stop. Remember your full stop. What do we mean here? You are going to look at the stop. The meaning of the word stop, S-T-O-P. Why they said you should remember it. Now let's take the S. S means answer all questions in full sentences. All answers should be in a full, meaningful sentence. Now T. The T here, make use of your tenses. Make use of your tenses. That is the verb used in the question. If they are in the present, the answer should be in the present tense. If they are in the past, the answer should be in the past tense. If they are in the future, the answer should be in the future tense. So before you answer every question, look at the verb used before you answer. Now, O. O means omit unnecessary information. Omit unnecessary information. That is, do not repeat questions asked in your answers. Do not repeat questions asked in your answers. For instance, let's look at this question. When the boy was riding the bicycle, what did he see? When the boy was riding the bicycle, what did he see? Giving an answer to this question. Don't answer it in this way. When the boy was riding the bicycle, he saw a policeman. No, you have repeated the question in answering it. So it should be, the boy saw a policeman ahead of him. ahead of him instead of repeating the question to answer the question. Avoid it. Now, let's look at the P, which is here. Make use of punctuations in your answers. Make use of your punctuations in your answers. Which punctuations are we talking of? Make use of your commas, your full stop, your question marks, and etc. Use commas to separate objects and things as you are writing. So children, with this explanation and steps used in answering comprehension questions, I'm going to upload these questions below these tutorials. There is a passage there. Download with questions, answer them, and put them in your clever. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and our next tutorial will be in 4 days' time. Bye-bye.